Perched atop a gentle hill and surrounded by the serenity of a 5,000-acre valley, this truly one-of-a-kind, 2¼ acre property offers sweeping 360-degree views of meadows, mountains, and national forest. More than a home, this property is a historical treasure. Once a 1920s general store, now beautifully restored and thoughtfully expanded into a timeless and livable residence. Featured on Arizona Highways Television and highlighted in Phoenix Magazine and Arizona Highways Magazine, the property has captured the hearts of those who appreciate heritage, craftsmanship, and character. The original general store has been restored with unmatched attention to detail, preserving its early 20th century integrity while integrating charming vintage touches that elevate its nostalgic appeal. Inside, the kitchen features a rare antique oak icebox island, a fully functional 1940s farmhouse sink, and custom cabinetry that reflects the era. The bathroom is a colorful tribute to mid-century Americana with original 1950s turquoise fixtures. Throughout the home, you will find curated design elements and hand-finished details that maintain the spirit of the past while offering comfort and functionality for modern living. The original store shelves remain filled with authentic merchandise, antiques, and memorabilia from the early 1900s, creating a space that feels more like a museum you get to call home. And it doesn't stop at the doorstep. Outside, the property is adorned with original 1920s gas pumps, vintage signage, antique farm equipment, and several classic vehicles, all of which are included in the sale, offering incredible value and historic significance. In 2023, a beautifully designed addition brought a seamless blend of old and new to the property. The expansion includes 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and laundry area, along with essential modern upgrades: new septic system, underground water lines, a new well house, and completely updated electrical throughout. The addition was crafted with the same love and quality as the original restoration, maintaining the property's cohesive, timeless feel. The land itself is equally inspiring. Spread across 2¼ acres, the property includes 2 original rustic cabins, a traditional windmill, multiple outbuildings, and plenty of open space for new construction, gardening, or raising animals. Whether you are dreaming of a homestead, artist retreat, bed and breakfast, or simply a place to escape the noise of city life, this property offers unmatched flexibility and potential. Tucked behind the main house is a remarkable piece of wartime architecture, an 800-square-foot concrete bunker built during World War II. This structure is ideal for use as a secure storage area, wine cellar, storm shelter, or creative studio. The possibilities are endless. This is more than just real estate. It's a rare, tangible chapter of American history, lovingly preserved and ready to be passed on to the new steward. With its unmatched location, views, vintage charm, and historic value, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own something truly special.